Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you are an admin of both the page and the business manager. Otherwise, you cannot remove the page. Once confirmed, back up any essential assets and record-linked ad accounts, pixels, and Instagram connections so nothing is lost. Next, navigate to Business. Facebook. Open Business Settings and select Pages. This gets you directly to the control point. Make sure to proceed now so you keep control and avoid accidental data loss later. You will now remove the page. In Business Settings, choose Pages, then pick the specific page and click Remove or Disconnect. If Facebook prompts for identity verification, complete it immediately to proceed. Once removed, check ad accounts, pixels, and partner integrations. Reassign ownership where needed so there are no orphaned assets. If transfer is required, use transfer ownership options before final removal. Keep an eye on confirmation dialogues. They tell you exactly which permissions change and why. Finish by confirming the page no longer appears under Business Manager, and that page roles reflect your intended owners. If something prevents removal, check that you still have admin rights, that two-factor authentication isn't blocking actions, and that there are no pending asset requests or active ad campaigns. If errors persist, use the support inbox to file a removal request or contact Facebook support. They can explain any policy holds and finalize the process for you so the page is cleanly detached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.